Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing and interesting entertainment like no other. Trust me guys, you will not regret being a part of this family. All you need to is follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe to our channel so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Trust me guys, you will not regret being part of this amazing family. Open heaven for Friday will be the 27th of January 2023. Our topic for today now, the law of harvest. Our Bible reading they come from Genesis 27 from verse 18 to 23 and Genesis 37, 26 to 35. Our memory verse for today they come from Hosea 8 verse 7 where it talks say, "For they have sown the wind and they shall reap the whirlwind. It had no stalk, the bud shall yield no meal. If so be it yield, the strangers shall swallow it up." Now Moko enter our main message. The law of harvest talks say, you go reap as much as wetin you sow. That means say you need to dey careful with the kind of seeds there where you dey sow, because when the time reach for you to harvest wetin you sow, e go always plenty pass the seed dem wey you sow. For our Bible readings of today, we see say Joseph dey sow seed for the first passage and then e come reap the harvest for the second passage. For the first passage, we see am say e deceive him papa so that e go fit get the blessing of him brother, and that one na make his children also deceive am when they tell am say Joseph their brother don kick bucket. According to Genesis 37 verse 35, e talk say, "And all his sons and all his daughters rose up to comfort him, but he refused to be comforted. And he said, For I will go down into the grave unto my son. Mourning thus his father wept for him." Many times the harvest of the seed wey you sow go come when you don dey too old to do anything about wetin you wan reap. Everything wey you dey do now for life na seed, and the harvest go come to you when you no go get enough energy as you take get right now. I thank God for some of the seed when I sow as a young man, because I dey reap the harvest now. For 1961, when I be 19 years old, I give money to one poor sick old man wey be my neighbor for village so that he go fit buy medicine. The man come tell me say make I no worry, say one day I go dey travel abroad the way people take dey go market. I laugh when the man talk the prophecy, because for my village in those days, if anybody dey come from abroad, the entire village no go farm that day. The hunters go come outside, they go shoot their gun as they celebrate say the person don come, and everybody go dey rejoice. At that time, na only 2 people na don go abroad for my village, and they study for there for many years. Now this man come dey talk say I go dey go abroad anyhow. The thing dey funny but I don sow my seed. Today, by God's grace, that prophecy e don come to pass. Beloved, make you dey pay attention to every opportunity wey you get to take sow good seed. On the other hand, make you dey always dey check your actions to dey sure say you no dey sow bad seed wey you go regret by the time of harvest. Our key point for today talk say make we dey very intentional about the seeds the way we dey sow today, because they go come back to us tomorrow in plenty folds. This Open Heaven daily devotional na Pastor E.A. Adeboye wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God na him write am.